Found a CLG file in your Windows folder and curious about its purpose? These are security catalog files used by Windows for code signing verification. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Windows security catalog files do. If you frequently deal with unusual CLG file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A security catalog used by Microsoft Windows to verify the integrity of a collection of files, such as system updates or device drivers. Users typically encounter these files when investigating system errors or security warnings, as they contain digital signatures and hashes to ensure system files have not been tampered with. The file is a binary data container structured according to Microsoft's Authenticode technology. It stores a list of cryptographic hashes, e.g. SHA-1, for each file in a package, all of which is then digitally signed by a trusted authority. This design ensures the authenticity and integrity of critical system components. The guiding principle for opening CLG is to use Microsoft Windows from Microsoft Corporation. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows restricts access since changes can create boot or runtime issues. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your CLG file and choose Open With. Test Microsoft Windows first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If the CLG file won't budge, stay calm. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, inspecting with Signtool. Use the Microsoft Signtool utility from the Windows SDK to inspect CLG files. Run Signtool Verify with the catalog parameters to view signing details, certificate chains, and contained file hashes. This is useful for developers and administrators verifying catalog authenticity for deployed components. Next, leaving system catalogs alone. CLG files in Windows system folders are managed by the operating system and Windows Update. Do not modify or delete them, as this can cause driver or system file verification failures, resulting in boot issues or component malfunction. Let Windows manage these files through normal updates. Finally, creating custom catalogs. Software developers can create CLG catalog files using tools like NF2CAT from the Windows Driver Kit. This signs collections of driver or application files for distribution. Custom catalogs enable signing scenarios for enterprise deployments and driver development workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.